What's up guys, I have another Opinel video for you here. Let me get it out. And here it is right here. I'm really pleased with the way this turned out. I'll get some close-ups in just a second. You can see the patina I put on the blade there, just a lot patina, experimenting with some different ones. And let me get closer here. Focus my camera. You can see at the back of here I put some designs in there and just carved it out. And I did the repeating pattern up here, that way it matches. See the bottom and the top. I put some little finger grooves down there. And then when you get to the blade here, let me turn my shutter speed up. That way it's gonna darken the blade. I think that turned out pretty nice. So I was really happy with the way this turned out right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you would like to learn how to mod one similar to this, I will leave a video link below showing how you can do that. Thank you guys so much for watching.